These questions you have tried 14th, 15th onwards till 40th questions. Did you solve this 14th one? Nobody is speaking here.
Sir, I was absent yesterday, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yesterday?
Yesterday I was absent, sir.
Yesterday even I was absent. There was a meeting and it ended very late. So I thought last 10 minutes to open again to send link to join it will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes. So I did not take class yesterday. This 14th question, did you try? Shall we solve these questions or shall I continue with exponents and powers?
Yes. Exponents and
Exponents.
powers.
Sir, this question only one time solved.
Only 14th?
Yes, sir. Only 4.
Okay, only 14th question we will solve now. Afterwards, I'll switch over to exponents and powers. A trader buys certain items at 32% off the list price. He wants to make a profit of 25% after allowing a discount of 20%. At what percent above the list price should he mark the items? The meaning of list price is same as the market price. MP and list price, they are the same. Suppose if I consider the market price or the list price as 100 rupees, if I consider MP to be rupees 100, he buys it at 32% off the list price. So the cost price will become now rupees 100
68
minus 32% of rupees 100.
means 32.
32% of rupees 100 is 32. You are exactly correct. So rupees 68 will be the
68.
cost price. Now, as per the given question, he is allowing a discount of 20%. So discount is 20%. That's what is given in the question. Then what else is given?
20% of 60.
25% is the profit percent. So we can calculate the selling price using this profit percent. Selling price will be given by cost price into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. This is a formula. If we make use of this formula, the selling price will be 68 times of 125 divided by 100. We can simplify this 25 5 times, 25 4 times. Further, this is divisible by 4 17 times, isn't it? So 75 times of, 17 times of 5 will be, how much will be this? It is 85. So rupees 85 is the selling price. On this selling price, there is a discount allowed, which is 20%. So discount is given on the market price. So we can write selling price as the market price into 100 minus discount percent divided by 100. This formula can be applied. Selling price we have found it is 85. Market price we need to find into
Good morning, sir.
100 minus discount percent. Discount percent 20%. So this will be 80
80.
divided by 100. So we can find out the market price. market price will be 85 times of 100 divided by 80. This is by cross multiplication. 1 over 0 get cancelled. Further we can simplify this to 4 times to 5 times. So 5 into 85 divided by 4. Uh,
425
divided by 4.
425 divided by 4. So 1
Yes, sir.
time 4. So
101.
0.25.
Yes, sir.
We have assumed that rupees 100 to be the list price. So we can calculate the mark percent. They have given what percent above the list price. So
6.25%.
percentage we can find out. This will be the difference. Difference is 106.25 minus 100, which is 6.25%. Because this is divided by 100 into 100. This will get cancelled. So 6.25%. So you should mark 6.25% above the market price so as to get a profit of 25% after allowing discount of 20%. This is how it should be done. Remaining questions I want you to try. Will you try these questions 15 to 40? These are all related to the concept of profit loss, discount percent, and some questions are related to VAT. And few questions are related to compound interest. Very important thing is whenever compound interest is asked, you have to just look at the number of years. Sometimes what happens, they will give number of years as a combination, like 2 years, some months. If they give 2 years and 6 months, we cannot make use of the formula. This formula cannot be used directly. What do we do at that time?
How to use of simple interest formula, sir?
You have to use
Sir, we
simple
have
interest
plus simple
formula
interest.
after this.
Formula, sir.
Means for first 2 years you use this formula. For the next you will make use of simple interest formula.
For 6
This
months,
concept you
SI.
should remember. For 6 months you have to consider simple interest. The thing is, whatever the amount you get at the end of 2 years will be the principal amount for the next some months. If they give it as 3 months, still simple interest formula should be used. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This concept is another very important one. Now we have questions related to exponents and powers. Shall we begin with this?
Yes, sir.
Express 256 as a power of 4.
4:4.
4 raised
Yes,
to the
sir.
power 4.
Yes,
4
sir.
is to
Sure.
4, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
4 into 4 into
Because
4.
256 is 16 square. 16 is 4 square. So it is something like
16
this.
square is
16
256.
square.
4 is to 4.
This is 4 square of square. So a to the power of m to the power n. So 4 to the power of 2 into 2, which is 4. So option C is the answer for that. Next one, express 729 as power of 3. The same
3 raised
concept
to
was there in the
sir.
exam.
3
3 to the power of 6.
3:6, sir.
6.
Correct. You are right.
3 raised to 6, sir. Answer. Option number B.
Express
2
2048 as a power of 2.
16.
Sir,
2:16.
2 to the power 16, sir.
16.
Yes.
No, yaar.
Sir, 2 to the power 8.
Let me tell you, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Correct? because
Then 8
2
will
to
be
the
not
power of
answer.
4.
16 will be only answer.
If I multiply this 32 times of 32, we get 1024.
Yes.
Which is
So
equal
this
to
is
2
nothing
to the
but
power
2
10.
to the power
Double
of 10.
Yes, sir.
1024. If you multiply one more 2, we get 2 to the power of 11, which is 2048.
2048.
So answer is none of
None of
these,
these.
because 2 to the power of 11 will be 1048. You have to remember this. This is one of the important one. 1024 is 2 to the power of 10. Which one is greater among these numbers?
4 squares, sir.
4 square.
4
4
square.
square is 16.
4 square, sir.
Then
Option number D, sir. 4
this will
square.
be 9, this will be 8. So 4
8.
square.
8.
Correct, sir. You are absolutely correct. Express 432 as a product of power of primes. So in such cases, no, we have to follow prime factorization. 432 we need to keep dividing by
Option
prime
B, sir.
numbers.
So option B 2 to
2
the power
raised
4
to
into 3 to the power 3.
into 3 raised to
2 6er, 2 6er.
Option number B, sir.
16
2 to the
into
power 4
27.
into 3 to the power 3, sir. Option number B.
This will be 2 1 time 3 3. Correct? Huh?
Option D, sir.
We'll
None
end
of
up
this.
we'll end up with
Sir, option
prime
C.
number 133.
B,
Sir,
sir.
no, sir.
So option B. Sir, option C.
16 into 27 is answer, sir.
Yes, sir.
16
Yes, sir.
into
Sir,
26,
16
27.
into 27. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir,
430.
16 is even number, sir. There are
Yes, sir.
prime factors.
66, sir. It
Not
should be
prime
prime
number, sir.
number. Sir, 16 into 27 is the correct answer.
Sir, 16 is an even number. It is not a prime number, sir. They are asking prime factors.
Yes, sir. Option number
They
B.
are
B
asking
is
prime
answer.
factors.
Sir, in dividing in prime factorization, you have made wrong, sir.
Yes, where is
Yes,
the
sir.
mistake?
Option B is answer,
Yes,
sir.
Sir,
sir, it is 216.
Where was the mistake here?
Sir, it will be, sir, 216.
216, sir. You have written 266, sir.
Yes, sir. 216.
216 into 2 is equal to
This will be
432, sir.
216. No?
Answer
Option
is
C, sir.
1 6.
B, sir.
B, sir. Option
Then
number
it
B,
is
So
sir.
option B.
216. Further we can divide.
Yes, sir.
We get
108, sir.
108.
108.
Sir,
16
option B and
24
option
times.
C both are same.
227 times.
But
7.
16
So
and
2 raised to
27
the
are
power
not prime
4
factors.
into 27.
2 raised to
This is nothing
3
but
raised to
3 to the power
3
of
to
3.
the
No?
power 3. Yes, sir.
So where is
Where
this option?
is
Where is this option?
Option
We
B,
have to
sir.
find.
Option B.
Option number B,
Option
sir. But
B is correct.
option?
yes, sir.
Option B
C
is
is
correct.
also correct.
You may be
C
having
is
doubt
not
that
correct, sir.
you may be
C.
having doubt that 16 into 27 also will give. Yes, it will also give. But they have asked
But they are not prime
Powers
power
are
factors.
there.
of
Powers of
prime
prime factors.
factors.
Powers of
So power of prime
prime
factor is there only in this. This is 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 3. That's correct answer. Moving on to sixth question. -1 raised to
minus
the
1,
power
sir. Option number
55.
3.
Minus, sir.
Whenever the power
Minus
is
1, sir.
Minus
So
odd
minus
number,
1.
Minus 1.
Power is
negative
in
will be
odd
there.
number, sir.
Yes.
Because the power is in odd number.
Yes, sir. In the next one, it's even.
1, sir.
So
One,
even.
Positive one.
Sir.
Sir,
B1, sir.
positive 1,
Power
sir.
is
Because
even.
500 is even.
A power
Yes,
is
yes,
a
you are
even
right.
number.
2 to the power of 8 is what?
256.
256,
I
sir.
Sir,
said that
256.
2 to the power of 8 is
256.
Option number B.
1024. 2 to the power of 9 will be 512. 2 to the power of 8 will be 256.
256. Option number B.
Option
256.
B. Simplify and write in the exponential form.
2 to the power 7.
Sir,
Seven, sir.
option B,
Option
2
number
to the
B,
power
sir.
7.
So we
To
are
the power
using this a to the
7
power of m into a to the power of n as a to the power of m.
To the power plus n.
plus n.
Sir, 1 to 8.
Next one. 1 to 8.
Sir, 1 to 8.
But simplify, write in exponential form. This is only in exponential form here. This is not in
Yes,
exponential
sir.
form.
Right.
So you will get confused here. Remember,
Yes, sir. Option
exponential
B.
form
2
means
to the power
Yes,
7.
it
sir.
is a to the power of n format. It should not be a number. No doubt, 128 is correct answer if you multiply. Since they have asked exponential form, this should be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Simplify and write in the
So
exponential
minus
form.
Option
minus
A.
4 to the power 120. Option A.
Option A, sir.
20. And
Option
Option
number A,
yes.
sir. You,
yes, sir.
you should multiply, sir. Option number A.
Multiplier. Anna,
No, sir.
Plus.
We should add the powers.
you should add
Sir,
the
yes,
power.
sir. Yes, sir.
Power.
Additions.
Next is write in exponential form after simplifying. So we are adding the power.
5 to the power 21, sir. Option C.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Option
Sir.
is sir.
5 to the power 21, sir. Option
5 to
number
the power of
C,
21.
sir. Option number C.
The value of 2 square.
So option C. 4.
4. Option
sir.
C.
Sir, 4.
The exponent in the expression 3 to the power of 7 is
7.
7.
7.
Sir, option
sir.
number B,
You
sir.
have to remember this. Whenever we have a to the power of m, this m is called as a exponent.
Yes, called
And
as a
a is called as a
Constant.
base here.
power, sir.
Base. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
It is called as a power.
Base, sir.
Sorry, power is same as exponent. You have to remember
Yes,
this.
sir.
What is the value of 3 to the power of 0?
1, sir.
One,
Option
sir.
B. 1.
Sir, 1.
Option C.
Number to the power 0 is 1.
3 to the power
Yes.
0 is equal to 1.
7.
Sir, 1.
The multiplicative
sir.
inverse of 1 by 7 is
7. 7.
7,
Because
sir.
on multiplying, the product has to be 1.
1. Yes.
Yes.
Now we have the next set of questions. Fill in the blank type a to the power of m
M minus
divided
n.
by to the power of n.
A to the power m minus n.
minus n.
M minus n.
M
Option
minus
C, sir.
Option
C,
C.
sir. Option number C, sir. M minus N.
If you observe here, the blank is there on the power.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2a
Sir, m
raised
minus
to the
n.
power of 4.
16 A to the power
Sir,
4.
16 A to
Option
the
B.
power 4. Option B.
Option B,
16
sir.
Yes, sir.
a to the power
Option
of
number
Option B, sir.
Option number B, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 to the power.
Some people will get confused. 2 4 times is 8 and a to the power of 4 they will write.
Yes.
There are chances that you will land up writing this, but it is wrong. What is the value of 1
So
by
option A.
3
1 by
second?
9.
Sir, option A.
Option A. 1 by 9.
Yes.
1 9.
1 by 9, sir.
Very good.
1 by 9.
11
12,
square
Option C.
1 by
121.
is 121.
121.
Option number C, sir.
Sir,
Look at this.
121.
1, sir.
Sir, fifth
Don't
one.
go for
1.
simplifying this.
Sir.
Whatever
One,
is
sir.
there in the brackets, no?
Sir, 1 1 1 1.
It
Only,
can be
sir.
any number.
One.
It can be any number. To the power of 0 is always 1.
1.
1,
Yes.
sir. Option number D.
Yes. Find
Sir,
the
option
value
D,
of
1.
Option
4 by 9, sir.
4 by 9,
A.
sir. Option
4
A.
by 9, sir. Option number A, sir. 4 by 9.
4 by 9, option number A. The standard form of this.
option
So option B. 5.2 into 10 to the power 8.
Option B, sir.
Option B.
5.2 into 10 to the power 8.
There are 8 numbers
Sir,
here.
5.2
Yes,
into
sir.
10
Yes, sir.
Number
is
B,
8.
sir. 5.2 into
5.2 into 10 to the
10
power
to the power
8.
8.
Very good. If they give 52 into 10 to the power of 7, will you consider this as the answer?
No, sir. We should not.
No, sir.
Why, sir?
right in sir.
Sir, but it is not in standard form.
Accuracy is more, sir.
Because we have discussed that standard
Number
form means
is not in
one digit
1
has
to
to
10,
be
sir.
there, followed
Yes.
by a decimal.
Yes.
That is
Yes, sir.
standard.
Before decimal, the point should be less than
Yeah.
10 and more than 0.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Very
5.2,
good.
sir, it is.
Usual form of the expression 10 raised to the power of 4
10,000,
is given
Sir,
by
B, sir.
So
10,000, sir.
Option B, sir.
option
D
B
also.
10,000,
D, sir.
but
D also,
they
sir.
have made a
Option
mistake
C
of
can be also answered.
this
Sir,
thing.
in D is
Option
there,
number
sir.
D, sir, is correct, sir. Option number D.
Yes, sir.
10,000.
Number
Sir,
D is correct, sir.
option D
Very
is
good. Yes. I was wrong here. I was thinking that they made a mistake writing comma.
in comma.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Option number D.
They have given purposely, sir.
Yes, sir. To confuse them gives.
Remember, micron refers to 10 to the power of
minus 6.
minus 6.
1 by
Minus 6.
10 lakh. Yes.
Yes.
And
Option A.
remember this,
Option yes, sir.
this concept. Mega refers to 10 to the power of positive 6.
Yes.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
mega.
Option
10
A.
meganewtons means 10 to the power 6 newtons, sir.
Sir?
10 meganewtons means 10 to the 6 meganewtons, sir.
Correct. 1 followed by 6 zeros, newtons. It's a very huge power then. Force will be too much. Where will you come across this concept, micro?
Sir, that
An
thickness of
atom.
Microbiology.
In biology, there are microorganisms. The size is measured in terms of micron. Okay.
Yes, sir, micron.
Yeah, bacteria size is say 5 micron. It refers to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. It means that 0.5 zeros followed by 5. One more zero. This is the meaning. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Coming back to the next question. The approximate distance of moon from the earth is
Option A, sir.
Option A, sir.
Option A.
3.84.
Option A, sir.
7 all numbers into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8
Eight.
is
Yes, sir.
correct, sir. 7 into 10 to the power of minus 5 meter in standard form. Yes.
0.407.
0.407.
Option D.
Option D.
It's there in option D. The standard form of this 4.05. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Option
5,
A.
6. Option
So
A.
option A.
Yes, sir. It's easy. Next set of questions,
One.
the value of
So one. Option C.
Yes, sir. Option number C,
option
sir,
C,
1.
1.
So option B, second one.
Again one.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Positive 1,
1
sir.
raised to the power of even
Because
number
the
is positive 1.
power is in
Minus
IO
1.
number.
Odd number is
Minus
negative
1B.
1.
Minus 1, sir.
The answer
Because
for
the
this
power in
2.
2.
2, sir.
1, sir.
2.
1, sir, 1.
Sir, minus 1.
2, sir.
Option number A, sir. 1, sir.
1 plus
Apart
1
from
0.
into 1.
Option A, 1.
2, yes.
Answer is
Because it is 1 plus 1 into 1. So 2
Yes,
times
sir.
1,
Option
1,
number
which
C.
is 2. Option C. 7 square is equal to
49, sir. Option
49.
number B.
49.
49.
49. Option number B.
The base in the expression
8.
8
8.
to the power of
8,
8.
sir. Option
sir.
number
Option
C.
C.
8.
Option C, 8.
1, sir.
So
1.
option C, 1.
The value of
1.
Option C,
1,
1.
sir.
0 is 1. The number formed by this expanded form,
So option A.
it is like 9 followed by
Option
5 zeros.
Sir, option D, sir.
5 zeros plus 2 followed by 2 zeros plus 3 followed by
Sir.
1 zero.
Option D, sir. Option number D.
So
Yes, sir.
230 is there.
D, sir.
In none of this 230 is there. That's one way to find 230. Then
So
there are 2 more zeros followed by 9. Correct. The value of this
64.
So 2 to the power 6.
64.
64.
64.
4, sir.
2 to the power of 6 is
64.
64.
Option number A, sir.
1
Value
by 7. Option A.
1 by 7.
7 to the power of minus 1 we get
Minus
1 by 7.
1. 1 by
Option
7.
A, sir. Option number A.
Very good. The value of 1 by 5 square
25,
is
sir.
equal
Option number
to
B.
1
1 by
Option
20.
D,
Oh,
sir.
1
So
by
option D,
25, sir.
25.
Option number D.
option D 1 by
Yes, sir.
20.
1 by 25.
The standard form of this
Option
1.4
Option D,
Option
sir.
D.
So
3,
D
6,
1.4 into
9.
10 to the power 11
9
kg.
plus 2, 11.
Yes, sir. Option D.
Option number D, sir.
D.
1.4
1,
into
sir.
It's a repeated question.
So 1.
1, sir.
1 by
1 by 6
36.
square is 1 by 36.
1 by 36.
sir.
Next set of questions, the standard form.
So
5.67
7, sir.
into
So
1,
option
2,
A.
3,
Option
4,
A.
5, 6, 7.
Yes.
Option A.
5.67 into 10 to power 7.
Very good. The usual form of this. So 4 zeros where it is.
Option A, sir.
Sir, option number A, sir.
Let's
0.68.
8.68. Here you count one set of zeros, 3, 6, 9,
Sir, option number A,
12,
sir.
15, 18,
25, sir. Option A.
21.
Option number A.
4 plus 1,
Option A, sir.
25.
25.
25.
By seeing the options, you
Option
should know.
C, sir. See, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19
Minus
coulomb.
19 coulomb. This is standard here. In class 11th, there is electrostatics chapter. You will exclusively make use of this concept of unit of charge. Unit of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is a unit. This is called as a SI unit of charge. Likewise, you will get a huge number in gravitation chapter. There is something called as a gravitational constant. You know that?
9 point something. Is
9th class, sir.
9.61.
No.
Sir, at, sir, attraction due to gravity.
There is something called as a gravitational law.
Yes,
According
sir.
to this law, between any two masses, there exists gravitational force. 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 is the value. Gravitational constant. Do you know the weight of the Earth? Weight of Earth is 5.92972 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. This is weight of the Earth. So almost like this, isn't it? Weight of the
Yes, sir.
Earth is 10 to the power of 24 refers to 1 followed by 24 zeros multiplied to this number. It's a very large value. 13 into 10 to the power minus 7 kilometer in standard form is
Option B, sir.
Option number B,
Option
sir.
B,
Option B, sir.
5
0
zeros and 1.
13 kilometers. 13
why
kilometers.
not 6 zeros and 13 here?
Because
Sir,
there is 13,
because
sir, not
there
1
are
point.
The thing
two, sir.
is, here they have
Are
not given 1.3. If they give
Yes.
1.3, 6 zeros will be there.
Yes.
Since 13 is given, there will be 5 zeros.
5 zeros
Yes.
only.
So option B is the correct answer. Next one,
Sir, option
the
number
standard
A,
form
sir.
of this 9.03, there is
Sir, option number A.
6 to 8. 8
Option
Option A,
Option
sir.
A.
A, sir.
9.03 into 10 to the power
9.
9, sir.
Option A. Question number 7. Which of
Sir,
which one of the
243.
following?
Option D.
243, sir. 243.
243. Because 3 to the power of 4 is 81. 9 square. Correct.
1, sir. Option number A, sir.
Value of
It is
this
8
Oh,
tons.
A.
1.
64 in exponential form.
Option
32
number A,
is
sir.
2 to the
2
power
to the
of
power
5.
6.
6.
So 2 to the
6,
power
sir.
of 6.
2 to the power 6. Option number A.
This
1,
is
sir.
Again,
a
1, sir.
repetition.
1. Option A.
1.
1.
The value of
Sir,
1,
2 to the
sir.
power 10.
2 to
True.
the power of 10.
None of these. None of
Yes, sir.
this.
None of these, sir.
None of these, sir.
None of this.
64 into 6.
Because it is 2 to the power of 10.
Option
Option
B.
A.
So option B. Option B, sir. 2 by 3.
B.
Yes, sir. Option B.
Option B. Because you have to remember, whenever we have a by b to the power m, it means a to the power of m.
A to the power m divided by B to the power m.
Yes, sir. A to the power m divided by B to the power m.
Yes, sir. Next we have the last set, probably fifth set.
1 by 6 minus 1 by 8 to the power.
This is like 1 by 6 minus
Minus
1 by
1 by
8
8 to the power minus 1.
minus 1. Inside, if you simplify,
Answer is 24,
the
sir.
LCM is 24. If 24 is LCM, this will be 4 times
4 ja
minus
4
24.
minus 3.
4
1
minus
1 by
3,
24.
1 by 24
24
to the power minus 1
Yes, sir.
will be
24. Option
24.
D.
So 1
Yes,
by
sir.
24
Option number
to the
D,
power
sir.
minus 1 is
Positive
reciprocal.
This one is 24.
Option D, 24 is the
1
answer.
by 5 into 1 by 3.
This is 1 by 5 into 1 by 3, 1 by 15 to the power
1 by
Sir,
15.
option C,
15 is
15 is the answer.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Option number C, sir. 15.
yes, correct. You are right. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 to the
By
power
4.
4, sir. Option number
uh,
C, sir.
2 times
Positive
2
4.
minus 1 to the power
1 by 4 to the power 2.
1 by
1 by
2
Sir, 1
16, sir.
by 16, sir.
Hey, 1 by
1 by
16.
16.
16.
Yes, sir.
So 1 by 16 option B is correct.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. These are all the reciprocals. This is 2 square
2
plus
plus 3 plus
3
4.
square
3 square
plus 4
plus
square.
None of
4
these.
square.
Is there.
No, sir,
None of
sorry.
For 2 square is
4
Number
plus
3.
9, 11, 30.
plus 16.
29, sir.
29,
29.
sir.
29 option C.
29, sir.
Option C
Option
is the answer.
number C, sir. 29.
If they give to the power minus 1, it will be 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now the 9. It
C,
will become
29.
9 as the answer. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The value of here we need to simplify. 6 to the power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 6
Yes, sir.
plus this will become reverse. The
2 by
reciprocal
3.
will be 2
2
by
by
3 to the power minus 1.
Answer is 6 by 5.
6. If 6 is the LCM, this will be 1 plus 4 to the
5 by
power
5 by
minus
6 raised
10
to
by
the
6.
power
6
minus
by
1.
6 by 5, sir.
6 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Option C is the answer. 1 by
6 by 5.
2 minus 1 by 2 to the power minus 6. When power
64,
minus
sir.
6 is there,
So 1 by
we can make
64,
it
sir.
ulta.
Option
It
number
will be like this.
C, sir. Option number D.
yes, sir,
Whole
Option
64.
D, 64, sir.
64 is the answer. Yes, very good. Find the value of, again, we have to make the reciprocal. This becomes 4
3,
by 3
4 by 3
minus
minus
4
4 by
1
4. Yes, sir. 4 by 1.
to the power
to the
minus
power
1.
minus 1.
LCM is 3.
3 the LCM, sir.
If 3
3
is the
1 are
LCM, 4 minus 12 to the
Minus
power
8 by 3
minus 8 by 3 to the power
to the
minus
power
1.
minus
क्या हो
1.
जाएगा? This will be minus
Minus 3 by
Minus
8.
3 by 8. Option
minus
B.
3 by 8, sir. Option number B.
Yes, very good. Now, how to simplify this?
We have to multiply the power, sir.
Multiply the powers.
From
It
inside,
Yes,
will
sir.
be
Minus
4.
Minus 2 to the
Positive
power.
4.
minus 12.
this becomes
So minus 1 by 2 to the power 4.
No, positive 1 by 4
Answer
Yes.
is
power
16.
1 by
minus
16.
Sir, option number A, sir.
Option B, sir.
4 square 16 to the power minus 1, 1 by 16.
Yes, sir. Option D.
Option B are, it will not be
Yes,
negative, it
sir.
will be positive. That means
Yes, sir. It
Option
is
B, sir.
multiplied even number of
Sir,
times.
positive, sir. 2
here
into
is a
2
even
into
number of times.
minus 1, sir.
In the static
Minus into
only
minus
we
the
get positive
positive.
1 by 4. In
Yes,
the
sir.
beginning only we get it as positive. And this positive thing will continue.
Yes.
Yes, fraction to
So
the power 0, it's 1.
None of this,
Answer
sir.
should be 1, sir.
This,
None of
Yes,
these.
sir.
1, so
None
none
of
of
this.
these.
Option number D.
here is a reciprocal. This becomes 3 by 2 to the power 5.
Sir, option number
43 by
option
32.
number
3 by
D, sir. Option
So
number D.
243 by
C.
32.
Yes, sir.
Option number D.
No, yeah.
Sir,
Positive number is
Reciprocal.
there, no. It's
no,
reciprocal.
sir, but the power is negative. Option B
Yes,
should
sir.
be answer.
No, sir, it
This
will
becomes
reciprocate and
Yes,
minus
sir.
will be gone.
It becomes reciprocal and minus
When
minus
it
becomes plus.
reciprocal, it
remember
becomes
this.
minus becomes
When
plus,
you
sir.
have a by b to the power minus 1, it is written as b by a. Ulta. 1 by,
To the power 1.
correct, no, 1 by a by b. This is nothing but 1 into b by a. So b by a.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you have a by b to the power minus 5,
Multiply to get.
this will be b by a to the power 5. It is like that. So
Yes,
we
sir.
get option
Understood.
C as the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
We got it, sir.
So 11th question.
11th question.
By
It
what
is
is
number
not
should
correct,
should
sir.
be
it is
multiplied to get what?
Missing
Question is
question.
wrong, sir.
there is a
Oh,
number,
Question
so
is
it is
incomplete.
not
yes, sir. Question is wrong.
So this question is not complete question.
Yes, sir.
So let's look at the next one. Here the bases are same. So powers we can simplify.
Yeah,
This will
takes
be
it.
5 by 3. 5 by 3 to
No,
the power 11 plus minus 5.
what is 11 minus 5? 11 minus 5 is 6.
Positive 6, sir.
Option D
Positive.
minus
So
2.
8x is equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
X will be equal to 6 by 8,
8 minus 6.
3 by 4. Correct? Huh? Right.
5 minus 11.
So
This will be positive 6, no?
yes, sir.
8x is there, 8x I have taken. X
Minus
will
2,
be equal
sir.
to 6 by 8.
Number D.
Answer should be 3 by
Minus
4.
3 by 4.
Sir,
So
it will
Yes,
not
here,
become positive
here
5.
answer is not given.
options are wrong.
Correct answer is 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
3
Understood?
by 4. Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, sir. Option D.
No, sir. Option number
Option number.
D.
minus 5 plus 11
No,
is
sir. 8.
6, sir.
Yes,
Not
Minus
5
5
plus 11
plus
is 6
minus
only.
11.
Why minus 11?
Yes, sir.
11 is
Minus 5 minus 11 equals to minus 16.
minus
Minus
11 is not
16.
there. Plus
So
11
it
is
is
there.
plus 11, sir, not minus 11.
Here in the question they have given positive 11. So
Yes, sir.
answer
11
is
minus
given
5 is
as
6.
6. If
3
it
by
is
4, sir.
11,
Option.
if it is minus 11, then minus
3 by
would have been correct. 3
Yes,
by
sir.
4
Yes,
is
sir.
correct according
Plus
to this
11.
question here.
3 by 4,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, according to this question it is correct. Next one.
Minus 1 by 8. Option
One,
C.
Yes, sir.
minus
Minus
1
1 by
by
8,
1 by
sir.
8.
Option number
Very good,
C.
very good. Correct.
4 by 9.
This will be
4 by
positive
9, sir.
value.
Option
4
number
by
D.
9, sir.
No,
4 by
not this. 4
Option D,
by
sir.
9.
4
4
by
by
9.
9.
Option D.
The value of
Minus
this
6. Minus 6,
4
sir.
becomes
3
a
by
reciprocal negative 3 by 4 to the power 3
3%.
whole square.
So option B.
Option C.
Yes, sir. Option number C, sir.
So option B.
7,000 by
27 minus
4,960.
27 divided by
6,
64
3 minus
to the
6, sir.
power 2.
C, sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Option number
C,
C,
sir.
sir.
729
Sir.
divided
Option number
by
C.
64 square
4096.
is 4096.
4096.
4096.
4,096, sir.
Option
Option number
C is
C.
the answer. Yeah, 6 set is there that we can do it in the next period since the time is up.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt,
No,
sir.
Sir, what is syllabus for annual exams?
Term on,
The
sir, term.
syllabus for the annual examination is term 2 syllabus, whatever we had done, term 2 plus 30% of term 1. This I
Yes,
have
sir.
not yet decided. This part I have to decide. Yes, sir. In this 30%,
Yes, sir.
no, I have to choose a important topic. That I will intimate you. I'll let you know by 1 or 2 days.
Which
Sir,
are all
what
topics are
term to
taught in
chapter, sir?
term 2, sir?
Sir,
Which all chapters are covered in term 2, sir?
in term 1, we had till chapter 8, I think. Okay, I'll find out.
Yes.
Term 2, after term 1 examination, actually we had 7 chapters, I think. Those 7 chapters plus 30% of the first term means 1 or 2 chapters only I can
The
give.
algebraic expression was done in term 2, sir.
No, sir. Term 1.
term
Yes,
1.
sir. It was done in term 1.
Yes, sir. Algebra expression in
Yes, sir, it
term.
was done in term 1. It was there for term 1 examination.
Yes, sir.
Shall we decide
Because
upon
that
this
is hormone.
syllabus
Next,
in the next
yes,
class?
sir.
Yes, sir. We will decide tomorrow.
We'll
Sir,
decide
it will be
tomorrow.
of 40 marks or 80,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Tomorrow,
You also note down. I will also note down so
tomorrow
that
is
there won't be any confusion.
2 periods, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Total
Tomorrow
marks, sir.
Sir.
40.
Okay,
40
sir.
marks.
40 marks, sir.
Thank you,
After
sir.
that,
40 marks.